Hey EduChamps, in this video we'll see how do we join our live lectures. For that, first we'll go to our Allern app. And here we have this lecture icon on the left bottom of our screen. Once we tap on it, we are here with the lecture updates and details. Simply tap on the join button and we are redirected straight to the Zoom lecture with our wonderful teachers. Now, in order to join the quiz, we'll follow a few simple steps. And then on the right bottom corner of the screen, we have this quiz icon. Simply click to enter the Battle of Brains. And here on this page, we'll enter the joining code that our teacher will provide in the online lecture. We just need to type the code here or copy paste it straight from the Zoom lecture and click on Join Quiz. And here we are. We can wait for the host to start the Battle of Brains. Get ready to showcase your brilliance and claim the spotlight. See you soon, champions.